How to save your first $1,000 fast. If saving your first $1,000 feels impossible, you're not alone. Most people think they need to make more money first. But usually, the real problem isn't income. It's the system. In this video, I'll show you how to save your first $1,000 faster, even if you feel like you're starting from zero. Because your first $1,000 is not just money. It's proof that you can take control of your financial life. And that changes everything. Let's start with the truth. Saving your first $1,000 is actually harder than saving your next $10,000. Why? Because in the beginning, you're not just building a bank balance. You're building habits, discipline, and awareness. That first $1,000 teaches you how money really works. Step 1. Stop trying to save what's left over. Because usually, nothing is left over. You need to save first, not last. Even if it's only $20 a week, small amounts matter more than random big efforts. Consistency wins. Step 2. Give your savings a purpose. Don't just say, I want to save money. That's too vague. Say, I'm building my first emergency fund. Or, I'm saving so I stop depending on credit cards. Money needs a mission. Purpose creates discipline. Step 3. Remove easy spending. Subscriptions you forgot about. Food delivery every weekend. Impulse purchases online. Small leaks destroy big goals. Most people don't realize they're not actually broke. They're leaking money. Step 4. Separate your savings immediately. Don't keep it in the same place as you're spending money. Move it into a savings account as soon as you get paid. Because if you see it, you'll spend it. Distance creates protection. Step 5. Increase your income when possible. Sell something. Take extra hours. Freelance. Start a side hustle. Temporary sacrifice creates long-term freedom. Sometimes the fastest way to save more money is not cutting more. It's earning more. Now let's look at a simple example. Let's say you save $50 every week. That's $200 a month. In just 5 months, you reach your first $1,000. Not magic, not luck, just a system. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes. Number 1, waiting for the perfect moment. It never comes. Start now. Number 2, saving money and then spending it on random things. Savings without boundaries disappears fast. Number 3, thinking $1,000 is too small to matter. It matters a lot, because confidence starts there. The goal is not just money. The goal is control. When you save your first $1,000, you stop feeling financially helpless. You start thinking differently. You stop reacting. You start planning. That is real progress. The main idea is simple. Your first $1,000 is your financial foundation. Build that first. Then investing becomes powerful. In the next video, I'll explain what an emergency fund is and why it should come before serious investing. Because protection always comes before growth.